everyone, welcome back to the Digital Tutors. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to use Canva docs. If you've ever wondered how to create documents that don't just look like plain text, but are actually visually engaging, then you are in the right place. Let's walk through Canva docs. So what exactly is Canva docs? Imagine this. You're working on a document, but instead of just typing boring old text, you can add videos, images, charts, and so much more. Canva docs is basically a document creator, but it's visual first. Think of it like using Microsoft Word, but with Canva's design magic. It's perfect for reports, proposals, or even presentations, all in one place. Cool, right? Now you might be wondering, how is Canva docs different from regular Canva design? Great question. Canva design is like a blank canvas where you have complete freedom to arrange elements however you want. Canva docs, on the other hand, works more like a word processor. You type your content and then you integrate visuals seamlessly. So while Canva design is great for creative layouts, Canva docs is awesome for structured documents with lots of text. And speaking of text, have you heard of Magic Write? Canva's built-in AI writer is like having your own personal assistant. Imagine you're stuck on how to start your document. Just ask Magic Write to help out. Want a quick intro or a list of tips? Just type your prompt and Magic Write will generate content for you. It's like Canva's version of ChatGPT, making writing super easy. Let's see it in action in just a bit. But first, let's start creating a document together. Alright. When you open Canva docs, you'll see a ton of templates. These are pre-designed layouts that save you a lot of time. You can find templates for everything, from business proposal to newsletters. If you're in a hurry, just pick a template and you're halfway done. But today, I want to show you how to build something from scratch. Let's start with a blank template. So let's say we are working on a document titled Time Management Tips for Entrepreneurs. When you click on plus sign or type slash, a drop-down menu appears where you can select heading, subheading, body text, table, charts, and many more. First, I'll add a title by selecting heading or press Ctrl-Alt-1. Let's type out our title, The Importance of Time Management for Entrepreneurs. You can customize the font, size, color, and position just like you would do in any Canva design. Let's see how to insert a design. Select on the plus sign, select Design. This will open Canva's design tool. Now you can either choose a ready-made design or create your own. The design will appear in your doc. You can easily resize or move the design around in your document to fit your content just right. Next, let's add a subheading. Click on the plus sign, select subheading or press Ctrl-Alt-2 and type Why Time Management Matters. Below that, we'll add some body text explaining why entrepreneurs need to master time management. You can adjust everything to make it look exactly how you want. Now here's where the magic happens, literally. Let's use Magic Write to generate content. Click the plus sign, select the Magic Write, and type a prompt like, Write 5 time management tips for entrepreneurs. Boom! Canva generates it for you. You can edit the text it gives you or use it as it is. Pretty handy, right? Let's add a few elements to make it more engaging. Let's add a table to compare different time management techniques. Click on the plus sign, choose Table, and you can add your data here. Want to visualize data? Then you can insert a pie chart or a bar chart. Canva docs makes it easy to add these without needing extra tools. Just click on the plus sign, choose bar chart, customize your data or upload your data. It works same as we learned to insert graph in our Elements tab tutorial. Similarly, you can add divider, page break, quotes, drop-down, and many more. You can also add embedding content from another website, select Embed, and paste your link. Of course, you can add photos and logos to make your documents stand out. Upload your own image, or you can search from Elements tab and just drag and drop them in, and you're good to go. You're not limited to just text visuals. Canva lets you integrate apps too. Just click Apps on the sidebar and choose what you need. Whether it's embedding a form, linking your Instagram, or even adding QR code. Canva has integrations that take your documents to the next level. Alright, once you've finished creating your amazing document, it's time to download it. Simply click Share, then Download. Canva gives you two options here, PDF and Microsoft Word document. You can choose what works for you. And that's it for Canva Docs. It's such a versatile tool. Whether you're writing a report, making a proposal, or turning it into a presentation, the possibilities are endless. Keep practicing and soon you'll become a pro at using Canva Docs. Hope this video helped you out. I'll see you in the next video. Happy designing!